Hello students, welcome back to K.Maurya Academy online study channel. Myself K.Maurya, your mathematics teacher. Today I will tell you how to divide the polynomial with another polynomial. So the division of polynomial. I have taken two questions here. I will solve one by one and with step by step. So watch carefully and learn how to divide the polynomials. Here, divide the given polynomial px by polynomial gx. So, we have to divide the polynomial px by polynomial gx. In first question, px is equal to x to the power 4 plus 1 and gx is equal to x minus 1. Means we have to divide x to the power 4 plus 1 by x minus 1. So, solution. Here x to the power 4 plus 1 and divisor is x minus 1. You can see that here the power of x is 4 and here the power of x is 1. So the difference between power is 3. So you can put x to the power 3 here in the quotient portion. So multiply this one, because dividend is equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. So multiply it, x to the power 3 into x means x to the power 4, and this one also x to the power 3 into minus 1 means x to the power 3. When we will subtract this one, this will be subtracted and this becomes plus, because minus into minus becomes plus. So this will be cancelled. Here it will remain x to the power 3 and plus 1. Now here the power is 3 and here power is 1. So difference between powers are 2. So you put quotient x square. So x square into x cube, and x square into minus 1 means minus x square. Again we will subtract this one. So this becomes plus and this will be minus. So it will be cancelled. Again here we will find x square plus 1. If we put here x square and it is x, power difference in power is equal to 1, so we will put x. So x into x square and x into minus 1 will be minus x. Again subtract, this one becomes cancelled and this one becomes plus, so x plus 1. Here the power of x becomes same, so we will have to put quotient as any constant which will be equal to the coefficient of x. So here the coefficient of x is 1. So we will put 1 into x becomes x and 1 into minus 1 become minus 1. After subtracting, x becomes cancelled and this minus becomes plus, so it will be plus 2. So we get quotient. Here it is quotient. This is remainder. This is divisor, and x plus 4, this is dividend. I'll solve another question for you. Here px is x cube minus 6x square plus 9x plus 3. Here terms are more. So solution. x cube minus 6x square plus 9x plus 3 divided by x minus 1. Here the power difference is 2 because here it is x cube and here it is x. So power difference is 2. So put x square. So x square into x cube, and this one will be minus x square. We will subtract this one. So it will be subtracted, but this minus into minus becomes plus. So x cube will be cancelled. In division of polynomial, always you will have to eliminate one term. Again here it is minus 6x square and plus x square. So it will be minus 5x square. Write down this one, 9x plus 3. So here now in next step, here coefficient of x is 1, but here it is 5 and here it is minus also. So put minus, and coefficient of x is 5. Power difference is 1, so you will have to put x. So 5x. 5x into x, 5x square, minus into minus plus, and 5x. Again subtract this one. This will be plus and minus, it will be cancelled. 9x minus 5x, it will be 4x, and this one will 3. Now here it is x and here it is 4x, means it is 4 times of the x. So you put 4, so 4 into x, 4x, and 4 into minus 1, and it will be minus 4. When we will subtract this one will be plus and this one will be minus. So it will be cancelled. 4 into 3, it will be 7 remainder. So in this case we got quotient as x square minus 5x plus 4 and divisor it is x minus 1, remainder is 7. So you always have to eliminate one term. Here also you see that in every step one term is eliminated, and in this question also one term is eliminated. So at last we get some remainder, or if the divide gets fully, so remainder will be 0. But here some remainders are there in both cases. According to this, you will get some questions on WhatsApp. Thanks.